M4 if anyone wants it.
Where?
In the house I'm in.
We're nowhere near you.
Can you pick that up for me?
No, but I'm gonna be in the stairs for a while.
Can you mark it then? Alright, never mind. I'm going right there.
I'm right in the house.
Bitch. Yep, Gus muted himself. Because he knows. The one time I want a shotgun choke, I'm gonna try to have a shotgun for late game. See how good that does us.
Found a 4x scope.
You found any attachments for the...
Only what I have.
We're getting shot at? Is that you?
No, that was you.
No. I heard a bullet fly by. I don't know if you're being a dick.
What are you guys talking about?
You know that when the bullet just hits the floor or something? That noise it makes?
The little whiz?
Yeah.
Yeah, what about it?
I don't know if I'm hearing things because we've been shot at so many
No,
times.
I heard the whiz too.
Can't believe we won 2 games yesterday.
Yeah. Third place as well. Another
It
one.
was eye-opening.
Are you saying that because Logan?
Oh.
Oh wow, I didn't even catch that.
It's a little, it's sensitive. It's a little too real right now. Okay.
Around it. I
Oh
don't
my
know
god,
where
we
they had
died here, didn't we? Yeah.
You heard that? Sounded like a silent shot.
Was that you, Logan?
Oh,
I hear a car.
Oh, well.
Car behind us.
us.
We're gonna open fire on it.
Hold on.
Once we see it.
Oh, it's over by me.
It stopped.
They got out. By the rock, right in front of me.
Direction.
South 210, I think. Oh yeah, south 210.
Oh yeah, it's 4 guys.
4?
They don't see me.
Come on, we got him. We got to jump on them, Mark. We need you here. Careful. They're going down.
Wait, guys, move it back.
Back off.
They're going down the cliff over here. 305.
Yeah. 295.
Oh my god. I got hit by a grenade.
Come to me. I don't know why you stayed there though.
I was fucking trying to see if I had a healing.
I'm gonna shoot from behind.
They're below the hill for sure.
Marvin, I'm heading towards you.
I'm down.
Oh, they threw a flash on me.
Rogue hero. Fuck you.
Damn, Gus. You did a little too early.
I see him. What the fuck?
I need you here. He's right here.
Just move up and shoot. Keep shooting before he comes.
What kind of gun do you have?
Vector.
Oh my god, I killed by UMP. Oh, his friends is coming.
Oh, we lost this.
Mm-hmm.
I only have ammo.
Oh, I got flashed.
I don't have a gun at all.
Okay, they're coming. Oh, guy's shooting me.
Oh my god.
Damn it. I gotta retreat for a second.
They're trying to get you.
You got shot in the ass. Go underwater.
Nah, I'm doing this.
Oh, what the fuck?
God damn. Look how I died.
I saw that. Find these rocks for a little. And just keep circling around.
I got guys, people on me, southwest 240 on the hill next to us. We're going down the slope.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Southwest.
205.
I saw them.
One guy is all the way in the back.
Yeah, try to.
Want to pick off the guy in the back?
He's standing still. Should I shoot?
Yeah.
Shoot the guy if you can get the guy in the back.
Wow.
trade shop here too. That's why.
One guy still behind the rock.
No, the guy in the rock moved.
Alright, we're getting shot at.
Fuck, I hit him. Yeah, by the guys. I shot him though.
We're getting shot east, I think.
Yeah, from the guy west. We're getting shot west. The guy is standing still.
Sorry guys, I know I called it out, but I don't have the scope for this.
I'm gonna look to our southeast end real quick just to see, because I think there's other people trying to pick us off behind trees.
Actually, if you want, you can look on those guys. I'll check our back in case we get shot at.
All right, I'm looking at that crate. Damn, they probably got that shit.
Yeah, I got it.
No, okay. The guys who are southwest are by the house now.
By the car?
Yeah, south 990.
I see him. I see him. Hold on. Oh, somebody's in the house.
I think it's two different teams.
Yeah, maybe. That's what I'm saying.
Damn, I'll check behind. Like, I hear silent shots over by the.
Hey, guys, behind us. Going down on the hills on the house we were looking at. Got him. There's just one guy.
Wait, what do you mean behind us?
Oh.
It was just one guy?
Yeah, but there's also behind over here, I think. I just got
Where'd he
shot from the
die?
back. He died on the hill where the blue is. Going down the 7065. But I got shot from here
Damn.
too.
Shit, we have to head towards them.
Feck. They're definitely in the house.
Oh shit, I'm getting shot.
Yeah, we're getting shot from, I think, the side.
If you guys can follow me over here.
I'll try.
I'm getting shot. I'm getting shot. I got it. I'm trying to hide behind this hill. Fuck. Okay.
Yeah, I think
Where are you
they're
getting
behind
shot
us.
from?
Southwest.
Oh, so it's guy in the houses. 'Cause they have direct line of fire on this. Yep. They're using car 98.
Yeah. I see people 155 southeast. We're kind of sitting ducks.
Oh, yo, guys. Southeast 120 by the skinny tree up ahead.
There's people 150.
The skinny tree with no
Yeah,
leaves.
150. No, with leaves at the very end.
Alright, I see somebody trying to shoot at us. 245. He's in the second floor.
I'm trying to get an angle
get
so he
out of
can't shoot us.
Let's get out of here. Let's take over this lane, guys.
Yeah.
Right here. There's people right here somewhere. Okay, I think they're right here.
You
155.
wanna rotate to the fucking the
Yeah.
fucking
shed?
little shed?
Yeah, we're gonna have to use this as cover because the people that we were shooting at in the warehouse, I mean the 2-story house, they're gonna start coming soon. So
Guys, there's also people here. Southeast 155 behind these trees somewhere.
Okay, let's try to get behind them.
be very careful. I saw somebody walk around here.
Yeah.
Circle's coming in, but let's use this hill as cover. I'm gonna look behind us and stuff.
No, I think they're up ahead over here.
Oh shit, that
Oh,
was close.
That's close.
I'm crouching, walking.
Right, guys, on me. 205 over this little hill. He's gonna be playing that day once we cross over.
Oh, I see. I think
I'm gonna take shots.
Go.
Wait. Ready? 1, 2.
Got one down.
Oh. Yeah, up ahead.
Got him.
I got a call.
Somebody
It was just him.
dead.
Somebody get me.
Ah,
Go help him.
I don't think I can help you for long. Because I'm low on health.
Guys, cover us.
No.
You have
You need help?
medkit?
You need help? Yeah, I do.
Guys, check straight up
Give
ahead.
it. Logan, take that. I'll
I
give myself.
have the full mech kit.
Oh, you do? Good.
I'm using it right now because. Oh, yo, guys. 215 west by the ranch. Up ahead.
I see him. They're having a gunfight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to loot the guys we killed?
I'm gonna see if he had a scope real
See if
quick.
he have a scope, something. Check what he got.
8-time scope.
Nice.
What other gun did he
Take
have?
for us.
He had a fucking ACAM and a car 98.
I need ammo.
I'm gonna take that car 98. Oh fuck.
Here's the 8-time scope. It's on the ground. It's on the ground right next to me.
You're taking the 95. You can take the rest.
Oh, I have no bullets. Fuck.
There's a
Gotta move
compensator.
slightly forward.
He has a compensator. He has a compensator.
So do I. Alright, so I think
For the
there's people
SR.
over here.
Alright,
One
so
Mark.
5 people.
Mark, do you have the compensator for the SR?
No,
I'm picking it up for you.
hurry up. I see people by the thing. 2 people. They saw us. They're gonna shoot. They're gonna
Mark,
shoot.
compensator on the ground.
He's lit.
Where? By the truck?
Oh, I see him.
I killed him.
Alright, he went down. Go, 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 go. Blue, 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 blue.
Oh, we're getting shot from the right side.
Just
Jesus
Oh, look at the
Christ.
crate. Look at the crate. Look at the crate.
yeah, I know. I don't see
Jesus.
where we're getting shot from though.
Oh, I see. 255.
yeah.
255. Skinny tree. Oh, fucking blue.
Mini 14.
I'm down. He had an MK14.
Oh.
Oh, Logan, behind you, MK14.
Ah.
What's behind me? Oh yeah.
Look, skinny tree guy.
Oh, he didn't see me. He didn't see me.
Play it safe. Oh, he's right there. What?
Mm.
Did I get the drop on that or not?
Oh, there was only 2 people left.
You said 2 people left?
Yeah, we're team 3. It was 2 random guys, 2 different teams.
There's one guy left, man. Good luck.
Oh my god.
That sucks too, cause they just had better weapons throughout the whole game, and we
Yeah.
got good weapons at the very end.
Yeah, we weren't well equipped. Hold on. Real quick,
Also,
let me,
the circle was not in our favor.
Did you? I made the biggest sandwich in the world.
Oh, what'd you put?
Like 8 pounds of turkey breasts and like a pound of ham.
Damn, that sounds mad good.
Okay.
You put some pepper and fucking vinegar on it. Oh yeah. Damn.
And an MKM.
I realized what I said.
I was like, what pin is that?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, they need to put like the phone.
Oh hell yeah.
It sounds
like you were getting some bomb head or something.
Nah, I thought it was like,
yeah.
it was like a point 9. Oh my god. Early explosions.
What?
Remember?
You
Either A,
drop your giant sandwich on the keyboard.
Oh, I put the plate in my other desk.
There's other like the explosions just dropped earlier.
Towards Rowan's where I was just at. Okay. So where do you guys want to go?
Wait, because you came from ruins?
I came from ruins, yeah. No one landed there.
Where we
Where we
going?
going?
Was there stuff there?
Loot
Good
crate?
crate? We got fucking
killed.
Oh my god.
Can I do that again? Yo! Look at this, guys. Come over here. Logan, come over here. Come over here.
Better be
impressed.
impressed.
Look at this.
I'm surprised you didn't take damage at how hard you hit the car.
I know.
Still no book bag.
I passed several.
How do you get this?
What?
Oh,
You can't climb through it.
I went from the outside.
No.
Maybe from the outside.
What? That's fake. What?
At number 3, you wouldn't believe me.
Yo, that is so.
God.
Top 10 PUBG Pro tips.
They should add that mission.
What the fuck? Where we going? Oh, I hate this area. We got killed here once.
Marv, you don't even have a helmet.
Yeah, dude.
To me, you don't.
You switch games?
The fuck? Yeah, level 2 helmet.
Oh, yeah. It looks like hair from far away.
Wah ha ha ha. Camouflage.
Not a bad fan of the Mini 14, but I'll take it, I guess. I need to figure out how to use it.
I don't know, Lauren said blue. So. That's really close to the city, though. I wanna go there.
Babe, can you like? Oh shoot, we're getting shot from the top of the hill. Okay, so there were people at those houses. All this. No, don't get shot me. Oh, they popped the tire. They popped the tire. They popped a fucking tire.
Fuck. I fucked up, guys.
Wait, you guys are in here?
Yeah.
No.
Wow. And we're getting shot from every different.
Okay. Yeah, South 85. South 8. Yeah.
Okay,
pretty-
I'm out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come
I thought you guys were in here the entire time.
No, I saw the pop tire.
I thought the pop tire fucked us. I'm like, let me get off.
Yeah, I thought we weren't gonna get any movement.
We got shot up from the left.
Ah,
Yeah,
get shot. Ah, ta, 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 ta.
Let's keep in the house.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
I didn't want to go this way. I just spoke up earlier.
They're probably like gonna shoot the fuck out of that car.
The Marv died.
No, they took so long to shoot him while he was on top of the buggy.
He ran a buggy.
Literally was right in front of him after his car fucking got totaled.
That shit fucked us over.
The car.
Car?
Whatever.
The car.
No, because the wheels popped.
No,
We got lost it.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
The only way I could win is fucking this crate drop.
Oh, stupid.
Fuck. I was too busy looking at. Oh man, I'm about to die so hard.
Yeah, like people are in the left houses.
Right here?
I don't know for sure, but I saw doors open.
I'm about to get clapped by like 8 people.
They
They might have changed.
All left side.
I hear man fire.
Oh, okay. I was about to say you clipped these.
Where's the fucking thing at?
Let's go ahead and land it.
Oh, oh, oh,
Who's
Is that right?
boy.
That
I
came
can't.
top
Top of the hill.
Top of the hill, yeah. Oh, they threw a grenade.
It's too far.
Oh god!
Go forward.
Alright.
I have no ammo. Hurry
It's
up!
fine.
Oh, they're
I'm
right
out
by the
this
tree.
bitch. I'm out.
Ah, Marvin.
I had an M24.
Look at your body twerking.
Oh no, it's having a seizure.
Back Marvin.
How I suck? No, I hit him. The
What?
car hit him.
Wait, you knocked him out?
I didn't even
you
know you
were
were
still
still
driving.
driving.
I thought
So
all
I
of us
almost
got
got out.
I was trying to make it behind a tree.
Sister's cleaning the bathroom, so she's using.
Store, Chinese store.
I don't know why that's so funny. It's so wrong.
I want to go to the gym. About to make that walk. Only to find out that shit closed.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna
Well,
work
they
out.
have a phone number.
So call them.
Nigga, you're the one who wants to go.
So you saying that you're not trying to better your life, cuz? Noise. Fucking noise. Oh, I see somebody there on top of the crates. Who's on me? Does he see me? Oh yeah, he definitely sees me. There's 2 people, 125, the other set of crates, but I know there's somebody here.
Mm-hmm. Marvin. Does anyone have a sniper rifle?
I do.
I have a silent. I have a silent.
Oh, somebody's going up the stairs. Up the stairs. You see the?
Wait for him to get to the top, and then we'll all fucking open fire on him.
What stairs? What stairs?
The
The
refinery.
big structure, the highest structure here that you can climb.
Oh, I see. I see.
He's up there. He's up there. I think he's getting
Oh.
shot at.
Oh, you're right. So there's 2 teams here.
He's coming down the stairs. I'm gonna.
Brian, where are you? You're the one that has a sniper, right?
He's hurt because he
Jump
jumped.
Logan. You should...
Oh, Logan, you got it?
Oh, he's to your left now, Mark.
Both of them.
What?
Come on, Mark. This one's here.
He's dead.
That's bullshit. Literally
I got
shot. I fucking shot. Oh my god.
One down.
Oh, he's on that side. Where
Yeah.
exactly on the?
I should have shot. I didn't know if you wanted me to shot.
All right.
He's behind the crater.
One of them is down.
He's dead or down?
Down is it? Oh, maybe he died.
Brian,
I'm not sure.
Brian. What do you got? What do you got?
I got a AKM. No, I'm 16. You
Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. I have a silencer for a sniper rifle. If anyone has it, come to me.
Yeah, I'm fighting. He's behind the garage, Logan.
Yeah.
It seems like only one guy though.
Yeah, he put the bitch front. I have a level 3. Probably would have done.
Where is he?
He's 95.
Oh, over there.
Yeah, behind the
Alright.
right corner.
Alright.
I had him a lot though.
Dude. Oh wait, no, you have that gun?
Yeah.
I can give you that.
Here, take this.
Thank you very much.
There's 2 of them guys, so be careful.
I think he picked up the friend.
Just seeing this how many other. Oh shit!
Where, bro?
To the left of me.
He's peeking. He's
Not outside the garage.
He's in
He's in the back of the garage.
Gus.
Careful, guys.
Oh fuck! I see him.
Where?
He's over by me. He's peeking me. He wants to peek me. They're both here. I'm healing.
I got shot up by a 3rd guy. Yep, there it is. Behind you guys. Behind you. To your right. And this almost following me. He's done. Headshot.
Knocked him down.
And I'm dead.
Oh, he drop shot at me!
That exists in this
Oh
fucking.
my god, he drop
What's
shot
that
at
shot?
me.
He jumped.
When you prone all the way down, shoot.
I hit him like twice and he drop shot at me.
No, he was down, wasn't he?
No. I got the guy down, right? Because, okay, it's either like 2 separate teams.
Yeah, there was 2 separate teams here.
Oh wait, no, it's a 4-man squad. Okay, cool. Because the 2 guys that killed you, Logan,
Yeah.
are part of these 2 guys that the one guy I knocked down.
Damn, we had to jump on them.
Oh, what the fuck?
He was pretty close to die.
That was bullshit. Okay, he fucking drop shotted me so that he hit me in my foot because I did a flip forward. He hit me in my foot. That's what happened. So when he drop shotted, he was aiming at the floor. So because he was aiming at the floor, he fucking went up.
Stop trying to make jump shot, I think. She got jumped on.
You're not. I was shooting him, but
Yeah.
I had the M16. He had the M4, so that little pause in between the burst fire fucked me up.
That drop shot.
That drop shot though, he crouched, right? I shot him, right? I hit him originally in his chest, right? He crouches.
No homo though.
He crouches, right, and hits me like 2 times in the chest. And
He
because
shot you in your toe.
no, it was like the fucking hip. It was like that fucking area.
Flip forward.
Yeah, I
He
flipped
shot you in the
forward.
toe.
Yeah, I was trying to get the whole
I-
atmosphere out of my head. I'm like, what's he mean?
Oh shit, we got people landing here south. Fucking shitty ass position. I want to go kill that motherfucker down there. Let's go. Get a gun and kill him.
Yep.
Yep.
Wow. Who hurt you, Gus?
That drop shot.
My
Who's
killer's mixed.
He's covering in the right. Oh, nice.
All his friends came.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you his friends were there too.
Where's his friend?
He's
On the
behind that
left-hand
thing.
side.
Great.
He's third person with me.
Yeah, I got. I have back
Yeah,
gun.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Get out of here. Oh, what the fuck?
Who shot him?
From the
Oh, the other one.
Oh, up there.
Hey, Betty. Sorry about that headshot.
Oh, he got
Wow.
me.
Brian,
Come here.
I'll give you
I'll give
the
you
Look
ring.
what I
Alright,
got.
I'm gonna try to
Come
crawl
here.
away now.
Come here,
Come here,
Brian.
Brian.
Come here.
Help!
Brian,
Brian,
why
why
don't
don't
you
you
listen?
listen?
I'll give you my weapon.
Why are you trying to kill him with a crossbow?
Come here,
Come here,
Brian.
Brian.
Pick up
Shut
my
up!
Oh my god.
You got him with the crossbow.
Ah!
Pick me up. Brian.
Kill this guy too. Kill that guy first.
Wait, you drop your weapon?
Yeah,
Yeah,
dude. I'll
I'll
pick
pick
it
it
up.
up.
We made that action.
Guys, the
Like,
oh, he died.
Oh my god, these big ass fucking.
Guys,
Oh.
it's going black and white.
I mean, shut the fuck up!
Where are you?
Ah!
Cut.
Y'all fucked his ass up. And he had he had mad shit. Hold up. And a Car 98, goddamn.
I just saved one of them.
I knew I should have killed this guy.
Damn it!
What the fuck?
If Gus was a Pokemon. Rat-tat-tat.
Why does
Why did
she
she
do that?
do
I'm shooting somebody. Watch this.
Oh, hold on. Page up.
Fuck.
Oh, you got hit in the foot.
Where is he?
He's right
Oh,
there.
Marvin,
Behind the
ain't no
tree?
way down. No, behind the rock. 200.
Oh, I see.
Where is he?
Got him.
Oh, he dropped down.
Yeah.
He died immediately.
Yep.
Fourth guy.
I think that's the
Think that's
guy.
the
I mean, equivalent to bad luck Brian, but not quite.
Gus is Gus.
What?
That's your noise. That's what you always make that noise.
Makes Gus noises.
Gus noises in Spanish. Weird how he put holes in the floor.
Mm-hmm.
This makes the game too
So
easy.
you can fuck him in the pussy.
Wow, Gus.
Right in the art, guys.
Yeah, fast press for a handgun. Yeah.
Yo, that's OP, man.
I'm gonna hit somebody with a book. Learn the fuck out of them.
Okay.
Here's fucking physics for you, bitch.
Fundamentals of science, bitch.
You've been kicked out the server.
What the fuck? Who was taking this shit and was bored and did this, Gus? Look.
I'm mad because I would do that. I'd be that person.
Is that you, Gus? Too. In Spanish.
Oh, I fucking love that song.
Fucking Gus. Why is that funny that he likes that song? I love it too.
No, it's just so random.
You
No
sang
one's
it,
singing
which is
it.
even
Why is that
random.
random?
Fucking bitch.
Oh my god.
So random that you're commenting on the song I'm singing out loud. Huh?
Boom, 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 boom.
Sorry, Gus, I ain't you. I don't have that luck.
At least you picked the right area to be in.
Those are guys behind us.
Alright, we're waiting here.
Are we?
I don't
Let's
know.
go to. Let's say like one of the spawn spots.
Oh, there's people directly down there. Oh, fuck. MK14. Somebody got it.
You're on top of those cliffs, though, right?
Be careful when you look to your right because there's people shooting from that direction. I'm gonna be back here getting any stragglers. I hear something. Get behind this head. Wait. Oh, fuck. You guys might be...
What?
Wait. Trying to hear where they're coming from. Oh, no. Car coming or something. Buggy, motorcycle, something.
Yeah, it's covered buggy.
Get behind this shed.
Is that a person here?
It's a buggy, bro.
He stopped.
He stopped. Well done.
Okay, they kept
What?
going.
Wow, I lost my team's first fight.
Oh, Marvin. You're
There's
not in the
another
circle.
vehicle.
You're not in the circle.
I know.
They're going around. Marv, be careful. They're gonna definitely shoot up from, they're turning around.
We're
We're gonna go more.
Let's
Let's
just
just leave.
No,
Yeah.
They're here.
Cover with the car.
there's one more.
No.
No.
The other guy.
Yeah,
guy.
he didn't die right away.
No.
Oh,
Okay,
guys,
guys,
over here. 305
305
northwest on top of the hill.
Oh, wait. That guy is really good, though. Wait. No, let Marv, TCS?
Yeah,
Yeah, he did.
he has
He
to be
has to
part
be
of
part
the
of the
team.
team.
305
305
west. For you,
For you,
north.
north
300.
300.
It's on
The
top
top
of
of the
the hill.
hill.
On top
On
of
top
the
of us.
Marv,
You're kind of exposed to him.
Yeah, I know. Where is he? 3 what?
Top of the hills.
300
Three what?
north.
North.
305.
320.
Yeah.
Get me in the house.
Shoot.
We don't know where we're at.
Wait. Don't shoot. Oh,
Jesus.
Where's this guy, though?
I didn't see the guy.
I'm
Telling you guys, nothing up there.
Oh my god, he was a little dot.
Yeah.
I don't know
why you just stood out there. Like,
No, I was trying to get the 8 times scope, but it wasn't equipping to the fucking gun.
There's someone on top of the hill.
Yeah,
next to you.
I hear.
alright, let's go. Run, bro.
Wait, there's a vehicle here. You want to take it or not?
No,
No,
let's
let's go.
go. We
We
did
did
that.
that turn.
We died. Not sure.
I don't like this area.
Alright. So,
Yeah, there's people right to your right. Right there.
I see
there.
it
right
right here.
Close,
shoot.
close.
They probably saw you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We thought
Oh,
that-
he's up ahead. Yeah, right there. Shoot him. He's
Wait. Behind the street.
Shoot.
He's moving. He's left and right. And
Got him.
I'm done.
He's down.
He's down.
Oh, to the right. To your right.
Right there.
210. 250.
he was
behind
by
me.
No, he was by the
was
cliff.
right there. Oh, God, I can remember this so much. Fucking puta.
We were
Fourth place.
Look,